The great blue heron is a predatory bird, and its hunting and spearing of prey can be seen as ruthless from the perspective of the prey. With its sharp beak and long legs, the great blue heron possesses the perfect tools for catching its prey. Today's video will take us on a journey to explore the great blue heron, also known as the great blue heron, is a large bird belonging to the Ardeidae family, commonly found in open waters and wetlands in North and Central America. True to its name, the great blue heron typically sports a blue-gray plumage, although some individuals may have a snowy white coloration, often referred to as the great white heron. Essentially, they share similar characteristics, except for the color of their feathers. With their imposing appearance, the great blue heron is a formidable predator. They can consume almost anything that fits into their long beaks. Catching the scene of a blue heron hunting ducklings in a clever and resourceful manner is a testament to its prowess as a predator. This imagery showcases both the brutality and ruthlessness of the hunting process, but it also demonstrates the remarkable hunting abilities of this bird. The blue heron tends to hunt fish and aquatic creatures as its primary food source. They are skilled predators with a remarkable ability to hunt snakes with precision. They attack and eliminate snakes in a ruthless manner to ensure their safety. Blue herons are proficient hunters in the perilous world of snakes. Chipmunks can run at speeds of about 12 to 24 kilometers per h, 7 to 15 miles per hour, but they are still no match for the skilled predator, the blue heron. The images appearing in the video clip can be quite astonishing for many people. The blue heron has demonstrated exceptional hunting skills. It effortlessly captures a mouse with precision, not putting in much effort at all. Even when the mouse tries to hide under the bushes, the blue heron swiftly makes a single move and captures the mouse successfully. With its large size and long, sturdy beak, the blue heron is a formidable predator. It is a fearsome hunter, and mice are among its preferred prey. That's correct. Blue herons are commonly found near lakes, ponds, rivers, and freshwater habitats, which makes hunting underwater creatures like fish, crabs, insects, frogs, and snails a common practice for them. Their ability to wade through water and their sharp hunting skills make them highly efficient at catching a variety of aquatic prey. They carry out their prey hunting with great care and delicacy. After getting closer, the blue heron will wait for the opportune moment to strike. When the prey becomes visible or is within sufficient range, they swiftly dive down and use their sharp beak to catch it. The beak of the great blue heron is designed with a pointed and sharp shape, which enables them to accurately and swiftly catch their prey both in water and on the water's surface with ease. The digestive mechanism of the blue heron is very special. They have a large beak, expandable esophagus, and flexible stomach, allowing the great blue heron to swallow even large prey whole. That's why you can see a blue heron eating a baby alligator and swallowing it from head to tail. What do you think about this? Please leave your comments to let us know. The great blue heron typically focuses on smaller and more accessible fish and aquatic creatures to optimize its hunting abilities. However, in some hunting instances, when encountering larger fish, swallowing them whole can become challenging and risky for the great blue heron. After capturing its prey, the great blue heron will use its beak to grasp or reposition the prey before consumption. They can toss the prey into the air and catch it firmly with their beak to reposition it before swallowing. The important thing to note is that the great blue heron possesses diverse hunting skills, and they will adjust their hunting methods depending on the type of animal they are pursuing. Although the great blue heron can overpower larger fish compared to its body size, eating them can be quite challenging because the size and structure of the bird's beak are not suitable for handling larger prey. A bold hunting encounter took place between the great blue heron and a huge siren. The strength of the long neck and precise strikes allowed the great blue heron to consume prey larger than its mouth size. When hunting for prey, the great blue heron often maximizes its time to be able to swallow the prey whole. However, in some special cases, when the prey is too large or its skin is too slippery, the great blue heron may have to use its sharp beak to stab and subdue the prey. The heron is one of the most common and beloved bird species, admired for its intelligence, beauty, and ability to interact with humans. The great blue heron is highly intelligent, patiently waiting for the opportune moment to strike and take down its prey with surprising precision. In addition, the gray heron is considered intelligent and skillful in hunting for prey. As food sources become increasingly scarce, the gray heron must adapt to survive by engaging in hunting and consuming other smaller animal species. Let's witness the astonishing accuracy of this gray heron as it forages among the bushes. With slow and deliberate steps, it approaches its prey, and in an instant the mouse becomes the meal of the gray heron. Blue heron hunting for prey can be seen as cruel in the eyes of the prey. However, this is a natural part of the survival process and the natural ecosystem.
Thank you for watching the whole video. Let me know which moment impressed you the most. Wild nature is always mysterious and full of surprises. Subscribe to the channel to get notified about more wildlife videos. See you again.